Friends, what is your favorite part of the day? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Drop it down in the comments and let me know what your favorite part of the day is and why. Good evening, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So it is about 7:30 at night and it's time to go ahead and start shutting down the homestead. First thing first, gotta put the pups to bed. I've got their treats and I heard them coming up behind me. Let's go ahead and put them in their shelter for the night. Come on, you want treats? Come on. Come on, Coach. Come on. Good boy. Okay, treats. They look forward to treat time. And there's our duck. She's following me. She always stays with the dogs. She chases them. She has fun with them. So we'll see if she comes over to the barn with me after she's done checking out what the dogs are getting. So my father-in-law does the feeding about 5 o'clock. So the pigs have already been fed. Now I just need to lock up the barn for the night because we've been having a lot of predators, making sure the barn is locked up extra tight. During the really hot parts of the summer, I had been leaving the back side of the barn open where Hagrid is. It's completely fenced off with the hot wire, so I wasn't worried about anything really coming in. But since the predators have been pretty intense, I am now closing that up at night. So I need to go in there and get him occupied while I go ahead and close up the back door. She followed me into the barn. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and collect all the eggs right now. The girls pretty much utilize every single nesting box that we have here, so I'm pretty sure I'll find eggs in all their boxes. Alright, so we got 13 eggs. Not bad. Now to go put the 50 baby hens to bed. Hopefully they have put themselves to bed. Last night I got lucky and they all went inside. I didn't have to shoo any of them in. We'll see how lucky I am tonight. Alright, last thing to do is to go ahead and lock up the turkeys, the 50 babies, and the 30 other babies. Let me go lock them up now. I love it at night. It's so cool, calming. My favorite part of the day. My father-in-law already put the duck away for me because she really only listens to him. I believe she's already in bed. Yep. Alright, everybody's all locked up. And I forgot my eggs over by the big barn, so I need to head back over there and pick up my eggs. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is me locking up everything at night. Not much that has to go to it, but I definitely enjoy this part of the evening. Locking everybody up, making sure everybody's safe and sound, and just enjoying this cool weather. Until next time friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.